Hey again, guys. Let's talk about interest. If you're finding yearly interest, again, if they're asking you monthly, you just divide by 12. So yearly interest, here's the formula. It is your loan amount, not your sales price. Loan amount times the interest rate, and don't forget to use the percent, it's key, equals your yearly interest. And remember, to get monthly, you just divide by 12 after you get your answer. So let's do this again. Loan amount times interest rate equals yearly interest. So let's do this. Let's say they give you a problem. And the problem says the sales price is $280,000. The interest rate is 5 7/8. Oh my God, a fraction, what do we do? All right. Remember, I have dyslexia. Math is a great fear for me, but I've figured out the easiest ways to do things, so I want to share those with you. When you see this thing, see this little guy right here? It's a line. That's 7 over the 8. That line between the 7 and the 8 means to divide, so that you can put this in your formula without having to use fractions. Do exactly what that tells you. So we already know it's going to be 5%. We just need to know what comes after the decimal. What does that 7/8 turn into on a decimal? So we do exactly what that thing says. 7 over 8. That little bar in the middle means to divide. So let's take 7 divided by, where's my divided by? 8 equals. All right, 0.875. So 7/8 is 0.875 is our factor. So 5 7/8 equals 5.875% interest rate. Ooh, cool. So now we have a decimal we can put in there and easily do our problem. Now, they also told us that 20% down is what the buyers were going to do. Well, we need the loan amount. So if the buyer is putting 20% down, how much are they financing? Yep, that's right. They're financing 80%. So here's how we do that. We take our sales price, let's do this, $280,000. Ooh, I made it $2 million. $280,000, and we multiply that times 80%. Again, the amount that they're financing. Because if they're putting 20% down, they're financing 80. Okay, so $280,000, our sales price, times the amount financed, 80%. That equals, let's see, 280,000 times 80% key. They are financing $224,000. Okay, now we have all the pieces of the puzzle to fill into our formula. We have the loan amount of $224,000. Okay, now we have the interest rate because they gave it to us, but they thought they had us at that fraction, but they underestimated a real estate business school SALADO student. So now we know it's $224,000 times 5.875% equals. Let's do it, ladies and gents. $224,000 times 5, don't forget the point, 0.875%. Ooh, $13,160. Now, remember, this represents yearly interest. So that's how much your buyer would be paying per year in interest. That is your formula. Loan amount times the interest rate equals yearly interest.